All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I'm going to kind of fast forward here. We're using the same idea of probability of event A or B happening, but there's a problem. In this problem, there's going to be overlapping events. So right now, we've got a full deck of 52 playing cards. And what's the probability that we're going to pull a face card? That's going to be event A. Or a spade. Now there's overlap here. If we calculate the probability of A, okay, so probability of A, and like we said before, the probability of, or we add the probability of B, that means we're actually going to count the king of spades, the queen of spades, and the jack of spades twice in our calculations. But there's only one king of spades, there's only one queen, and there's only one jack. So that would be like counting cards that aren't there, and that doesn't make sense. So what we need to do is we need to find the probability of A, we need to find the probability of B, and because we've double counted, anything that's included in the double counting we have to subtract off. Now, let's see, that is probability of A and B. This is called overlapping events. It's when they share a pool or population that we counted twice, so we have to back it out. If we counted it 3 times, we'd have to back out 2 of them because we can only count one instance where it's going to be because we only have one deck of cards. So the probability of A is going to be R12 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, 3 different suits, king, queen, jack, 4 of each. And so that's going to be R12 out of 52. Then we've got, and right here is kind of where it happens. See, I'm double counting that king because the king is a spade, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 spades. And the problem is I've double counted overall those 3 cards. So that means I have to back out those 3 cards out of the 52. And this is what's going to give me my final answer. If I take the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. As a matter of fact, if we go back to example 1, it was the same. It's just the probability of A and B was 0. And so the subtraction of 0 is just itself. So we get 12 plus 13 is 25. So right here, we're going to get 25 over 52, and then still minus 3 out of 52. Then 25 minus 3 is going to be 22 out of 52, which is the same thing as, let's see, take 2 out, you get 11 out of 26. That's about the same as 0.423 or 42.3% chance. Remember, all 3 of those are a probability. The 11 out of 26, the 0.423, and 42.3% all are the probability. You don't have to use all 3 answers. You can give one or the other or the other. But this means that there's a 42.3% chance, almost a 50-50, to be able to pull a spade or a face.